Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to withdraw your crypto from MetaMask to your bank account safely and step by step using trusted crypto exchange like Binance. You can't withdraw directly from MetaMask to a bank. MetaMask only holds your crypto. So first, we send your crypto to an exchange like Binance, convert it to fiat, then withdraw it to your bank. Go to MetaMask. Here it is. Open your wallet and check the crypto you want to send, like Ethereum, look like that, ETAs. Open now, make sure you know what network it's on, Ethereum, BNB chain, or Polygon. This is important for selecting the right deposit address later. Match the token and network to avoid losing funds. So be careful. Always check your exchange network like TRC. Next, head to your exchange account. I will use Binance in this example. Go to deposit section, click on it, then click deposit crypto. Select coin like Ethereum or USDT. Choose the correct network like ERC for Ethereum. Copy the address. We will use this to send crypto from MetaMask. Now go back to MetaMask and click send. Paste your address, enter amount, choose gas fee, confirm transaction. Confirm the network message and send your crypto. Depending on the network, it might take a few minutes. Use low fee networks like BNB chain or Polygon when possible. Once your funds arrive in Binance, it's time to convert them to fiat. Go to Binance, then select trade, click convert. Now choose your coin and from USDT to USD or INR. This step prepares you funds for bank withdrawal. Go to Binance Wallet, then click withdraw. Choose withdraw fiat from here. Now choose the currency like USD and choose the receive payment like your bank transfer, PayPal, and Google Pay. Varies by region. Enter your bank details and amount, then click confirm withdrawal. Processing times vary by country. It usually takes 1 to 3 business days. If your country doesn't support direct bank withdrawals, you can use P2P trading on Binance or another exchange. Go to trade section, then select P2P. Now click Sell and choose your payment method like bank transfer for this tutorial. Then select a verified buyer. Set click sell USDT. Set your amount. Then set your bank transfer details. Enter your full name, bank account or card number, bank name, account opening branch name, IBAN for international transfer. Then click confirm. Only release crypto after confirming you have received payment in your bank. So be careful about it. Now that's it. That's how you withdraw from MetaMask to your bank account using an exchange like Binance or P2P. So you can add your account security. Go to account section, then ensure that your security is enabled, like passkeys, like authenticator app, email, phone number. Just click from the right side, enable, and follow the process. You can add anti-phishing code, protect your account from phishing attempts, and ensure that your notification emails are from Binance only. So click enable and click create anti-phishing code. Enter 6 to 8 characters, including at least 3 of these following types like uppercase letters, lowercase letters, digits, and upper scores, etc. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helped helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop your questions below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next time.